Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows security setting and your Chrome browser. And in this video, I will show you how to set up Hello Window Passkey in your Chrome browser for maximum login security on your Chrome browser on Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on these three dots. Then come down below right here until you get to settings. So go ahead and hit on settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to autofill and passwords. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on password manager. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to settings. You have to scroll down right here where you have use Windows Hello when filling password. If you share this device with others, you can turn on Windows Hello to verify it is you whenever you use safe password. What you need to do is to turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this button, this window here is going to pop up. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your Hello PIN password. Boom. And the window has been activated with your password selected. For each time you want to log into any website, you can be using your Hello Window key password to have access to that particular website on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. This is one of the best security you can give to your window and your Chrome browser in terms of password and account security. For more tutorial tips and tricks about account security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.